NotebookLM is free, made by Google, and most people use maybe 10% of what it can do. Today I'm showing you the 5 tricks that turn it from a PDF chatbot into a genuine second brain. Number 2 alone changed how I prepare for meetings. Number 5, the podcast trick. Drop in any dense document, a contract, a research paper, a textbook chapter, and generate an audio overview. 2 AI hosts discuss your document like a talk show. Listen on your commute, and you've absorbed the material without reading a page. Number 4, use YouTube videos as sources. Paste a video link, and NotebookLM ingest the transcript. Add 5 videos on the same topic, and ask it to compare what they agree and disagree on. That's hours of watching compressed into one answer with citations. Number 2, meeting prep. Before any important meeting, load the agenda, past emails, and any reports into a notebook. Ask what questions am I likely to get, and what are the weak points in this proposal. You walk in more prepared than anyone in the room. And number 1, the source-grounded fact check. Unlike a normal chatbot, NotebookLM only answers from the documents you give it, and every claim links back to the exact passage. When accuracy actually matters, this is the AI tool you should reach for first.